Hi there and welcome back to Missy's Kitchen, coming to you from the beautiful province of Prince Edward Island. Today in the kitchen we're going to be making a Depression era peanut butter bread. This bread does not contain any eggs or yeast and it has 6 ingredients only. We're going to use flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, and peanut butter. You want to make sure that your oven is on 320, and we're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients. All of your dry ingredients in the bowl: flour, salt, sugar, baking powder. I'll just give that a stir. And then we're going to go ahead with our milk. Give that a stir. And your peanut butter. And just give it a good mix until it's all combined. So I have a lightly greased loaf pan here, and we're going to go ahead and put our bread batter in and just smooth it out. Make sure it touches the sides. Just like that. And into the oven for 1 hour. It's been an hour and we're going to take our loaf out. Oh, it looks good. We're just going to give this a slice. It smells so good. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you like this video of Depression peanut butter bread. If so, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now.